up, you guys? Today in Roblox, I'm going to become a storm chaser. So yeah. Yeah. We're in the city, and we are literally right by it. We gotta go. We gotta go. And it's coming right at us. It's coming right at us. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Oh shoot, that thing is coming right at us. Okay guys, we gotta stay alive. We have to stay alive. This thing is coming after us. Oh, that's massive. That's literally wild. Dude, this tornado is wild. God, we were right by it. So let's look at it. So can I even drive any of these cars? If I was thinking that it didn't get any closer. Guys, our tornado, this is in Oklahoma. All these are in Oklahoma and Roblox to me. Just kidding. I live in the United States. No, I don't. I live in a different state. I don't even live in this place. Look at that. Bro, that used to be a house, but now it's broken. Bro, we're right under the funnel. I need to take a screenshot. Quick. Okay, I got it. We got it. All right, we gotta go. We gotta go. Woo! I live in Missouri. I have a British accent sometimes, but not all the time. That's a secret. Yeah. No address. Okay. Bro, I wonder if it's gonna hit the church that. Okay, so it's really far away. So we need to not go in it, but we need to get close to it. So where is it? Oh God, it's right there. Oh shit, it's coming. Well, let's head back to the city. I gotta freaking move. Trust me, the other tornadoes are gonna be. The other tornadoes are going to be rowdier. They're more serious, but this one, not that. No. But that thing is going pretty fast. Guys, it's only spinning in one circle, so that means it's coming right at us! Go! Go! Go, 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 go. Dude, this used to be my school playground. Nobody's here right now because of the weather today. Nobody even went to school. This is when I was a kid and Where is it? I think it's right in front of my eyes. Oh! It is right in front of my eyes. Oh! Oh, we got him. We got it. Got it. All right. Oh, God. It's coming right at us. It's coming right at us. It's coming right at us. We got to go. Go. Oh, shoot. That's going faster than you guys even think. I'm literally actually... Dude, you should feel my heart right now. It's racing. But I don't even want to get near it. I don't want to die. I don't want to die. So that was Texas. Roblox. But now I gotta get out of here. As quick as possible. Alright. Shelter. Now this place has a freaking ton of windows. They're shattered. Alright, next date. Guys, we're in the neighborhood of Sydney, California. And a lot of the cars are gonna look the same. The same tornado. So let's just take a screenshot. Timing. Next date. I heard that the tornado is supposed to be rowdy, but it's supposed to be rowdy. Let's get out of here. So guys, I put trackers in the tornadoes, and I can zoom in and zoom out. So now I can track where they go. I think it's gonna change. Oh, it's just like, so it tells me when it's gonna change.